Hello mga ka-POV! Tara, let's go! Punta tayo ng gold souk. Mamimili tayo ng gold. You may ask, is gold a good investment? My personal opinion is, yes, it is a good investment. Although yung price ng gold ay volatile. Volatile meaning unpredictable yung price. Kasi for example, today iba yung presyo, bukas either tumaas or bababa yung price. Gold investment is just like a stocks investments. Kailangan long term. Gold has served as a hedge against inflation. Through the years, yung value ng gold ay nag-a-appraise, kaya good investment siya for long term. Again, you may ask, is buying and selling gold a good business? My personal opinion is yes, it is a good business. And yet, before deciding to do business, you have to research and kailangan knowledgeable ka sa gold business. Kasi yung gold business, as I've said earlier, parang stocks trading din. Tumataas or bumababa yung presyo, volatile price siya. And do some research din para ma-mitigate yung risk na malugi yung gold business mo if ever nag-decide ka na mag-put up ng gold business. I would suggest mas mainam yung pawn shop kasi sa pawn shop wala kang lugi. Yung mga nagpreprenda ng mga alahas doon ay palugi at hindi na nila mababawi yung presyo ng pagbili nila. Although dito walang pawn shop, kaya kainaman sa Pilipinas maraming pawn shop at bihirang nalulugi ang pawn shop. Yung presyo ng gold dito sa UAE is cheaper compared to any other parts of the world. Ang advantage ng gold, hindi siya nagiging outdated at no expiration. Yun lang, ang disadvantage ay madali siyang nakawin. Very enticing sa mata ng tao. Ang disadvantage pa, kung halimbawa nabili mo ng mahal yung per carat at yung services charges, mahal, lugi ka kapag binenta mo kaagad. Gold is a treasure na pwedeng ipamana.